Agriculture plays a critical role in providing food supply for growing population of the world. Annual global food supply loss due to plant diseases is 40% on average. Sometimes farmers can lose almost 100% of their crop due to plant diseases. Farmers encounter great difficulties in detecting and controlling plant diseases. The most widely used method for plant disease detection is simply naked eye observation by experts. These processes are time-consuming and expensive. We purposed a system that is less time-consuming, minimum cost and more efficient. Plant Disease Detection Application (PDDA). PDDA works on image processing techniques. Identify the plant disease and plant type. In case the leaves are affected by the disease, classify the disease. Then it will suggest medicines and precautions for that disease. How to detect disease with Plant Disease Detection Application (PDDA). The user will have an option to upload an image from his entire system or gallery to detect its condition and disease. After uploading an image, the user will press the Detect button and the process will start. A progress bar will show the percentage of the process, the steps that are involved in detecting the disease. These steps are image acquisition, image pre-processing, image segmentation, feature extraction, and image classification. The user will press the See Results button to see the result. The user also have the option to check the existing saved results. The user also have the option to navigate in different screens from main menu home screen. Through Gallery tab the user can upload image. Through Results tab user can see the existing saved results. Through Diseases tab user will learn about different diseases. Through Help or Support tab user can learn how to use different features of PDDA.